welcome to Flying Magic. It's me, Sierra, and today it's Happy Halloween. But maybe first, I'm in my Halloween costume, so maybe first I would not go to Snowbox War, but I will try to get hit very harmfully. Oh, Ocean's Scorching Spook. Okay. Oh no! They're hitting me. No! I'm gonna join. Okay, I'm gonna ask. So maybe. Oh wait, Penguin after, and I'm gonna hit that girl. I'm gonna hit her. Okay. Oh no! 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 I have to go to the garden! So maybe I have to go to the garden next. Now I'm in the garden. So maybe I'll join in Udoido to Clouders. So maybe. How about join my Clouder? So welcome. So now next we're gonna go to Vampire's room. Or we could call them the Halloween room. That's another Halloween room that we are in. So well, I don't have much time there. It was very nice. But now let's go to Spook Hall. And wow, Spook Hall. It's like Halloween. The Halloweeny and so decoration-y. Now we're gonna go play at the city center then. If I found 14 coins, 44 coins. Maybe if I found a common hat. Yeah, I found a hat. So maybe I would sell it for 220 coins here. So now let me go back home. So that is all for today, and I hope you liked this video. And see you soon on my next video reacting to some kind of video in YouTube. Maybe it's gonna be Cream and Spooky's House of Terrors, right? So I will see you next time, and like and subscribe, and bye!